oportunidade de fazer o que eu fiz no ano passado, mas eu lembro, né, tenho boas lembranças do ano passado e eu vou usar praticamente a mesma estratégia. As pranchas estão andando muito, eu estou me sentindo muito bem e chegando aqui já vencendo o primeiro round direto para o terceiro round, né, me deixa bastante confortável para o resto do evento.
With the Quicksilver Pro final inside, now Toledo trying to call up. Priority will grab this wave. Comes off the bottom, layback hammer. Deep off the bottom again, he floats it. Coming around the corner, driving through a huge carve and tail release. He pulls it off. Straight up, Vernon ditches the fence. Toledo blows the tail into reverse. Can we give that a perfect 10 bucks? What more do you want to see from him? Go Felipe. Felipe Toledo in the countdown. Felipe Toledo is the Quicksilver Pro champ and looks like he could finish with the best number in the sport as we wait for one more to lock in. And come on. Wow. The family's celebrating and now just waiting to see how high that last number will come. Remember, Ponzi was without priority.
There it is. A 10-point ride for the young Brazilian Felipe Toledo. It's perfect 10. To finish off, he already had the hit none. Decided to put the cherry on the top, though.
A huge way to finish. A memorable moments, finishing with a 10.